Oranges are a vibrant and refreshing fruit rich in natural oils and vitamins. They have been used for years as ingredients in recipes, but recently they are being recognized for their beauty-enhancing qualities. The benefits of orange for your skin are extensive, making it perfect to use in every aspect of our daily beauty regimes, as the natural properties may improve the look and feel of our skin. There is no need to throw away the orange peel either. It's perfect for creating face masks and body scrubs, drawing out all the impurities, leaving a beautiful, healthy glow. There are many benefits of orange for skin, and here are reasons to embrace summer's fab orange beauty trend. Body scrub. Dried and ground orange peels make the perfect natural body scrub. Not only does it help make your skin silky smooth, but it also helps keep it free of any infections. This is because of the peel's potent antibacterial properties. Apart from that, oranges have compounds that are most concentrated in its skin that help beat inflammation, making an orange peel perfect to treat irritated skin. What's more, the orange peel has skin softening properties too and helps get rid of dead skin and ingrown hair. Eating one orange a day or drinking a delicious tangy glass of fresh squeezed orange juice may aid weight loss, boost your immune system, and produce healthier skin. Amazing things you can do with orange peels, which you would normally throw away. Deodorize refrigerator, garbage disposals, and bins. A smelly fridge and garbage disposal could make anyone lose their appetite. You could keep your refrigerator smelling fresh for days with just half an orange. Fill up an orange peel with salt and put it in a bowl. Place the bowl in the fridge and let it do the work. Mosquitoes and ants at bay. The citric smell of orange is a great deterrent for mosquitoes and ants. So simply applying a little orange oil on your body, or spreading some crushed orange powder in the areas that ants enter your house help naturally keep these critters away. Creating a natural cleaner. Stop using chemicals to clean your home. Orange peels are perfect natural cleaners. You can use them for almost anything. Add orange peels in a bottle of vinegar and store it for a few weeks in the refrigerator. Shake it occasionally. When you're ready to use it, transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. You can use this on floors, windows, and other types of surfaces. Keeps your shoes smelling fresh. Stop worrying about storing stinky shoes in the closet. Before putting them away, place a sachet filled with orange peels in each shoe. The peels will absorb the odor and keep your shoes smelling fresh for a long time. Make candles. To make an orange candle, cut the orange in half and remove the middle part, leaving the stem intact. Fill the rind with your choice of oil. Make sure to leave a few inches from the top of the stem, as it will serve as your wick. Make orange tea. One of the favorite benefits of orange peel among people who love tea is that you can use it to make your favorite drink. The best part: no need for tea bags. Dry organic rinds for a few days and steep them in hot water when you want to have a nice cup of citrus tea. Get rid of soap scums and water stains. Water stains and soap scum are unsightly. They also won't give you a good impression. If you're entertaining guests, make sure your glassware and metal fixtures are spot-free. To remove soap scum, fill a sink with warm water and add some orange peels. Soak your glassware for 5 minutes. The citric acid from the orange peels will wash away the cloudiness caused by minerals and soap scum. Keep brown sugar soft. Storing brown sugar could harden it over time. You can avoid this by putting a slice or two of orange peel in the container. The rind releases oil that helps draw moisture away from sugar, preventing it from solidifying. When used this way, the rind could last up to a month. Just put a date on the container so you don't forget to replace the orange peels.